Porsche 911 ST. This isn't just any car, it's a testament to engineering brilliance. A nod to the purists and a dream for enthusiasts worldwide. Imagine a vehicle that encapsulates the essence of driving purity. The 911 ST is that dream realized, a symphony of speed, precision, and emotion, wrapped in a package that screams elegance and power. With its naturally aspirated engine, this car isn't just moving. It's alive, breathing fire and passion with every rev or shake. Let's dive under the hood, where the heart of the 911 ST beats with fervor. A 40L flat-six engine, a marvel of engineering, propels this beast, delivering an awe-inspiring 518 horsepower. The harmony of mechanics and artistry allows this engine to rev up to 9,000 revolutions per minute, creating a symphony that resonates with every gear shift. But the 911 ST isn't just about raw power. It's about the connection between man and machine, a bond forged through a meticulously engineered manual transmission. Every shift is a statement, a dance between driver and vehicle, with precision that feels almost telepathic. As we cruise through the winding roads, the car's agility becomes apparent. Its lightweight design, coupled with a suspension tuned to perfection, offers a driving experience that's as exhilarating on a track as it is on a scenic mountain pass. The 911 ST dances around corners with grace, its tires whispering secrets of the tarmac below. Now, if you're enjoying this dive into the world of the Porsche 911 ST, remember to subscribe to AI Tech Underground. We're all about exploring the cutting edge of automotive innovation, and we'd love for you to join our community. But what truly sets the 911 ST apart is its soul. In a world where cars are increasingly dominated by digital interfaces and detached experiences, the 911 ST stands as a bastion of analog joy. It's a car that demands to be driven, not just operated, a vehicle that rewards skill, passion, and engagement. Inside, the cabin is a blend of luxury and functionality. While some may argue for more stripped-down interiors in pursuit of purity, the 911 ST finds a balance, offering comfort without compromising on its spirited ethos. The seats, the steering, the gauges, every element is crafted to enhance the driving experience, making every journey unforgettable. But let's not forget, the 911 ST isn't just a car. It's an experience, a story waiting to be told. It's about the early morning drives, the sunsets chased, and the horizons conquered. It's about the moments that make us feel alive, the pulse-pounding excitement of pushing limits, and the quiet satisfaction of a drive well done. In our exploration of the Porsche 911 ST, we've touched on its extraordinary power, its intimate connection with the driver, and its remarkable agility. But to truly understand this vehicle, we need to delve deeper into the details that make it a masterpiece of automotive design. The 911 ST isn't just a car, it's a statement. It represents a legacy of Porsche's commitment to excellence, a lineage of cars that have not just been built, but crafted with an unwavering attention to detail. Every line, every curve, and every angle of the 911 ST is a testament to Porsche's design philosophy, blending form and function in a way that is undeniably captivating. Let's talk about the aesthetics. The 911 ST's design is a harmonious blend of classic Porsche cues and modern innovation. Its silhouette is unmistakable, a profile that's been honed over decades, yet it remains as fresh and exciting as ever. The exterior is a canvas of engineering excellence, where aerodynamics meet artistry, resulting in a vehicle that looks as fast as it drives. Inside, the cockpit is a sanctuary of precision. The driver-focused layout, the quality of materials, and the tactile feedback of every knob and button are designed to enhance the driving experience. It's a space where technology and tradition coexist, offering the driver not just control, but a connection to the vehicle that is palpable. Now, let's shift our focus to the technological marvels that underpin the 911 ST Porsche's commitment to innovation is evident in every aspect of this car. From its advanced suspension system, fine-tuned for both performance and comfort, to its cutting-edge safety features, the 911 ST is a beacon of modern automotive technology. The engine, a marvel in its own right, is not just about power, it's about character. The way it delivers its performance with a responsiveness and a linearity that's becoming increasingly rare speaks volumes about Porsche's engineering prowess. It's an engine that doesn't just propel the car. It communicates, it engages, and it exhilarates. The manual transmission, too, deserves accolades. In an era where automatics are becoming the norm, the 911 ST's manual gearbox is a nod to the enthusiast, a feature that underscores the joy of driving. It's a transmission that demands engagement, rewarding the driver with a sense of control and involvement that's unmatched. But the 911 ST isn't just about what's under the hood or inside the cabin. It's about the experience, the emotion, and the exhilaration of driving. It's about the way it makes you feel when you're behind the wheel, the way it turns a mundane journey into an adventure, and the way it turns heads wherever it goes. This car is more than just a mode of transportation. It's a companion on the road, a symbol of passion for driving, and a testament to the joy that a truly great car can bring. Whether you're navigating tight corners on a mountain pass, cruising on the highway, or simply admiring it in your driveway, the 911 ST is a source of endless fascination and enjoyment. Delving into the dynamics of the 911 ST, one can't help but admire the precision with which this vehicle handles the demands of the road. Its suspension system, a blend of art and science, provides a ride that's both exhilarating and refined. The car's balance, its ability to corner with unshakable confidence, and its poise under pressure are testaments to the decades of innovation and expertise that Porsche brings to the table. But what truly sets the 911 ST apart is its soul. It's a vehicle that doesn't just perform, it interacts, responding to the driver's every input with intuition and immediacy. The steering, precise and communicative, offers a direct line to the road, allowing the driver to feel every nuance and texture of the tarmac. It's this level of engagement that elevates the driving experience from mere transportation to a visceral, immersive journey. Let's also consider the 911 ST's role in the broader automotive landscape. In a world increasingly dominated by digital interfaces and autonomous technologies, the 911 ST stands as a bastion of authentic driving pleasure. It eschews the trend toward detachment, instead offering a driving experience that's rooted in connection and presence. It's a car for those who cherish the act of driving, who see it as a craft to be honed, a relationship to be cultivated. Moreover, the 911 ST's design is a nod to Porsche's storied heritage, yet it's also a bold step forward. The integration of modern design elements with classic Porsche aesthetics creates a vehicle that's timeless yet contemporary. Its appearance communicates speed, agility, and strength, without sacrificing elegance or sophistication. Inside the 911 ST, the fusion of luxury and functionality creates an environment that's both exhilarating and comfortable. Every material, every texture, and every interface is chosen not just for its aesthetic value, but for its contribution to the holistic driving experience. The cabin is a cocoon of focus and intensity, yet it also offers a sanctuary of calm and control amidst the storm of performance. Now let's turn our attention to the road ahead. The Porsche 911 ST isn't just a car for the present, it's a vision of the future. It represents a commitment to preserving the thrill of driving in an age where such a thrill is increasingly scarce. It's a statement that speed and power, when harnessed with skill and respect, can create moments of profound beauty and excitement. So as we bid farewell to this remarkable vehicle, we're not just saying goodbye to a car, we're paying homage to a philosophy, a tradition, and a passion that defines the Porsche 911 ST. It's a passion that we at AI Tech Underground share with every one of you who joins us on this journey of discovery and delight in the world of automotive marvels. Thank you for tuning in to AI Tech Underground. If the Porsche 911 ST has captured your imagination, If it stirred something within you, then join us again. Subscribe, engage, and continue with us on this journey through the fascinating world of cars. Remember, the journey isn't just about the destination. It's about the experiences, the emotions, and the memories we create along the way.